Hey, I'm ready to pay.
It's $350 total.
Can I pay with my card?
Sorry, we're only taking cash.
Thanks, that's all.
Thanks for your business. Here's your receipt.
Just checking out, please.
That'll be $350, all right?
Hey, can I use the card to pay?
We can only do cash, sorry.
Cheers, thanks.
Just wanted to say thanks for your order. Receipts attached.
I want to ring up my stuff.
So, $350, yeah?
Excuse me, is card payment okay?
No cards, just cash, I'm afraid.
Okay, thanks a bunch.
Appreciate your support. Here's the receipt for your purchase.
Let me get this sorted.
The total comes to $350.
Could I pay by card, please?
Cash only, you know?
Right, thanks.
Thanks for shopping with us. Here's your receipt.
I'm all set to check out.
$350, got it.
Card accepted?
We're only accepting payments in cash.
Okay, thanks very much.
You're welcome. Here's your receipt, take care.
Time to head out, I'll take it.
That's $350, just to let you know.
I'd like to pay with my card.
Sorry, we're strictly cash.
Thanks, you're a lifesaver.
Thanks a bunch. Receipt's right here.
I'm done shopping, let's go.
It's $350, all in.
Can I settle this with a card?
Just cash, please.
Okay, thanks.
Cheers. Here's your receipt.
I'm ready to check out, thanks.
Okay, so the bill is $350.
Is it alright if I pay with a card?
We don't take cards, just money.
Thanks, appreciate it.
Thanks for your custom. Receipt included.
Just want to finish up my purchase.
That's $350, no problem.
Just checking, can I use the card?
We only deal in cash, sorry.
Okay, thanks, gotta go.
Glad to have you. Receipts below.
Let's wrap this up and I'm out.
The total is $350, simple as that.
Paying by card, yeah?
Cash is all we take.
Thanks, that's great.
Thanks for your order, receipts attached.